Tax season isn't broken because of the work. It's broken because of how we've been trained to think. More hours, more clients, more chaos? No, reverse it. This tax season, members move from surviving to thriving. Take a seat.
Sliding into the mastermind series, we are now in December. This is our first week, and I want to reset your mindset for tax season. I want you to take 3 things away from here.
Reverse thinking required.
What's reverse thinking required all about? It's about now having your expectations met. So we got to think through these things. So we're doing step by step. I'm going to try this out and release a new video each week, kind of going into our mastermind. So here's the deal. I know you know who I am, so I'm going to say you trust me. So whatever you're doing right now, I want you to pause. Don't multitask for me. I want you to just close your eyes and take a deep breath. It's December, okay? We want to step into this month with intention. This week's big thought is simple but powerful. Tax season starts in your mind before it ever starts in your software, am I right? If you don't set the tone now, the season will set it for you. And we both know the season doesn't care about your peace. So I want you to think of December as your runway, calm, controlled, structured. This is the month where you decide how January and February are going to feel, not reactively, but intentionally. So here's your action for the week. Establish your protected hours that you plan to work. All right? I want you to pick one block per day, even if it's just for 60 minutes, and mark it off for the entire month of December. Okay? So I want you to block off 1 hour a day. Well, what am I going to do in that hour? Block it. Okay? You'll figure out what needs to get done on there, but you know what it should be? Nothing related to actual work. Work on your business in this hour. I got a checklist that I'm giving you. That's what you could be doing inside that hour, but this hour belongs to you. So no calls, no emails, no interruptions, but this is your hour, okay? This week, you're just doing 1 hour to be a business owner. See, production time is sacred. I get it. And if you don't protect it, no one else will. I get it. But who's protecting you? Who's protecting your time as a business owner? Now let's talk about the technical side. So before tax season gets loud, you need clarity on who you're serving and what each client needs from you. Not expects from you, needs from you. So this week, I want you to, for lack of a better word, audit your entire client list. Look at the name. How do you feel? Because if you already got a pit in your stomach, that client needs to go. What filing type are they? Is that one that you're going to have to brush up on the instructions? Maybe that's not a filing type you should be working on. What are the required returns? Are there returns that need to get done in January, 1099s? Pay attention to what kind of entity they are. Do you specialize in that? Should you be working with a C Corp if you only work with 2 other C Corps? And what jurisdiction are they in? Did that change? Should you be working with businesses outside of your jurisdiction? And if so, are you prepared for any changes, looking at that so you're not surprised during tax season? And then looking at every deadline. But here's what I want you to know. That deadline is for you to now reverse engineer, reverse think your entire tax season. So that deadline, you need to work yourself all the way back, reverse all the way back to now. And what is it that you need now from your client? What do you need to communicate to your client right now? Be at a minimum, what are going to be the due dates of what you're going to need during tax season? We're emailing clients simple. Hey, hope you're doing well. Into year end, here's your year end checklist. And by the way, we'll need all of your Business tax documents by January 15th. We'll need everything reconciled by January 15th. We need to get your business returns started no later than the end of January, and letting them know now that you need all of their personal documents by February 15th. So don't wait until February to realize a client has a trust return or a business personal property filing or a payroll obligation you forgot they had. Those surprises cost you hours and hours of your life. This is your calm before the storm moment. Clean data equals a clean tax season. So remember, your mindset sets the tone, your schedule sets the boundaries, your client list sets the reality. And you're not surviving this tax season, you're leading it.